Welcome to our channel. So I'm gonna be demonstrating a sequence in how to remove these covers, and it's gonna be more or less the same for the little one and the front ones. We're gonna get our Phillips off. And remember, we are not really saving these covers. It would be good to have it in the table, but in reality, doing it right here on the floor, you have more leverage to do this. So you're gonna be able to see more clearly here. Some people like the blade. I'm not a fan of the blade. A lot of accidents can happen. Scissors are more safe for this removal. And there you have it. The same process is gonna go into this cushion, the other little rear section, and the two front seats. No difference. So I'll show you once we have it all peeled off and we start the process to put our new beautiful covers right here at Upholstery Technology. So I'm gonna be making one of the front ones, just so I can demonstrate how easily it's gonna be the removal. And again, these are not to be safe, so I'm gonna proceed, do the same that I did in the previous one. And I say it's always better, I like the floor versus the table for many reasons. Now this particular vehicle is equipped with heaters. We need to release this cable so we can get the cushion out. And that's all it took. Be sure that you only remove the reinforcement, not the airbag. And that's another reason why we don't use the blade. Because if you use the blade, you are at risk to cut the heating elements. And this is going to be interesting for even many installers because they have their own aha moments. And there you have it. We're going to continue with the removal process, and in another segment I'm going to be talking about the installation. And this is how it looks. This is how deeply the installation process can go. That's the frame, hidden elements, the foam, and this is one without removal, ugly, stinky, stained cloth seat. That's what we're working on it, so we can beautify this vehicle. So we want to proceed with the removal, and then I'm gonna be making segments for the installation process.
Rev up your engine, feel the ride. Leathertech's got you sitting in style. DIY solutions in your hand. Turn your car seats into something grand.